Hit my words, I had to get this off my chest. Monogamy, my biggest test, yeah.
Throw away your love letters. Gotta make me feel better.
Okay, so I am back with another video, and this isn't going to really be a tutorial, but more just kind of showing you how I made the hair paint wax work with my regular slick back. So the first thing that I basically did was made my deep side part, and then I'm going to bring the part down to my ears on either side, and that's just to make some defined sections so it's easier for me to slick everything down in the end. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my hair is growing and I'm stupid excited about it. But anyway, so I just started kind of making the sections all around my head, and I started moisturizing them just to make them a little bit easier to work with. And here is the hairpin wax. I ordered red, but I'm sure they sent me pink. I don't think that's what red is supposed to look like. So after I put on all the moisturizer and stuff, I basically just took handfuls of it and just slapped it all over my hair and hoped that it covered it well enough. And as you can see, it pretty much did, but I was definitely gonna have to add some more, which I did with the rest of the back section. So then I moved on to the front and I sped this process up because it's basically the exact same thing I did in the back, with me kind of finger detangling, adding moisturizer and detangling with my Denman. I mixed the hair paint wax with some gel that I was using. This wasn't the best method because basically when I brushed it, it kind of all went away or faded into the gel, and I ended up adding a whole lot more just on the surface. And then I did virtually the same thing on top, except I kind of learned my lesson as far as not mixing the gel with it. I added some edge wax, Murray's edge wax I think, and then I put the hairpin wax on top of everything and brushed it all together that way. And when I brushed it all in, it stuck around, but I still wanted it to be a little bit brighter, I guess. So after I added that section to the ponytail, I did end up just kind of laying some on top and spreading it around. I kind of just sped through this because I did the same thing as far as using the Murrays and adding the gel all throughout my hair. Not the gel. Trying to distribute the hairpin wax all throughout my hair. And doing the same thing as far as just brushing it back and adding my hair section by section to the ponytail. So I kind of just cut out the part where I slicked down the rest of my hair because it was basically the same thing over and over. And even this part is basically the same. The only difference is I add a little bit more product before I add the actual hairpin wax. And I really kind of piled it on right here because I did not want to add much more, but I ended up having to, as you will see, because when I brushed it, well, when I combed it, it like all went completely away. And I kept adding it, and it just like was not. I kept having to add it, probably because when I do the swoop, I have to add so much product to get it as sleek as I want it. So it kind of just ended up getting swallowed up in the product, I guess. If you can see the stage I'm at right now, there's virtually no color on that swoop section right now. I kind of got sick of it, and so I took the ponytail out and just like brushed it all into the ponytail holder, I guess. And then after putting all of it into the ponytail, then I tried to do the swoop, and that made it a lot easier. After this, I generally am going to go off camera and do my edges because, like I said, it's not a tutorial. But when it comes back, you'll see just how much I was feeling myself. It looked like super great. Bow. What? Huh? What? And then as you can see, it's super pigmented. It's not dry at this stage, but still already you can see how cute it is. I just put a scarf on, and the next day it was just as bright, well, maybe brighter when it was dry, actually. And it looked great. I was really feeling myself, okay? And I got so many compliments, so seemed like a winner, and I still had plenty left at the end. But thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun trying this new product, and hope to see you soon. Bye.